Good morning, everyone. The weather hasn't been very cooperative this week. We had some rain yesterday, supposed to get some rain again today. But this morning it looks like I've got a couple-hour window to get out and get fishing. And I'm excited to try this. It's a Tokyo rig. I will put a link in the description of the video from Joe from Parabellum Fishing that kind of explains what it is and how it works. But it's made for lure fishing, it's made for soft plastics, but I looked at it and thought I could do some bait fishing with that. So I'm going to give it a go this morning, and like I said, might only have a couple hours, but we'll see if we can catch something. Oh, fish on. This is with the Tokyo rig. So Joe, it works. Hopefully I can get him in. There we go. Good sized carp, at least 60 centimeters, and caught on the Tokyo rig. So it works. I was just starting to pack up, and it's because it's raining, and was getting a bite on that Tokyo rig again. I've already got the other rod back in, so let's see if we can get something here. Yep, got him. Oh, that's two. That's two. There he is. Oh, another decent fish. Oh, come on, net. There we go. Another nice one. The Tokyo rig there. So I'm in a hurry though. It's starting to rain. I'm going to get out of here. But that was two in just about an hour, so that wasn't too bad. Definitely going to use that again. Well, as you can see behind me, the rain came. I only got about an hour of fishing in, but we got the two, both off that Tokyo rig, so that worked out well. So Joe, appreciate the video. I know it wasn't the way it was meant to be used, but nothing wrong with experimenting a little when you're fishing. So do me a favor, check out that link down below, and hope you liked the video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be much appreciated. And until next time, keep fishing.